Best foods to fight cold and flu season. You might be tempted to skip meals when you have the flu if you've ever heard the proverb feed a cold, starve a fever. The fact of the matter is that good eating is exactly what your body needs when you're sick to stay healthy and be able to fight off whatever bug you might have. Your body requires nourishing nutrients more than ever when you are ill. It pays to feed your immune system well because it serves as your body's line of defense against invaders like the flu. Keep watching to learn about the best foods to eat to fight cold and flu season. 1. Broth. Broth is full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and it keeps you hydrated. Additionally, it's a great way to ease your sore throat and unclog your nose. Consider preparing your own broth, whether it's a vegetarian option or an electrolyte-rich bone broth, to keep in the freezer just in case. While making it yourself is healthiest, if you don't feel like cooking, you may also buy it at the grocery store or order it from a nearby restaurant. 2. Fruits and veggies with vitamin C. Vitamin C has a strong link to a boosted immune system and may lessen cold and flu symptoms. Oranges, grapefruits, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cantaloupe, kiwi, peppers, potatoes, strawberries, and tomatoes are all foods high in vitamin C. 3. Garlic. Research suggests that eating raw garlic will strengthen your immune system. Compared to cooked garlic or garlic supplements, raw garlic has the most benefit. Try mixing it in hot tea, just add a little honey to sweeten it up a bit. 4. Leafy greens. Although a salad may not immediately come to mind as comfort food, greens like spinach, kale, and cabbage are loaded with iron and vitamin C that can fight inflammation and hasten the healing process. Add a leafy green to your broth or other comforting stew to add those extra vitamins. 5. Chicken soup. By incorporating chicken that is high in protein and iron as well as wholesome vegetables, you will give your broth a boost and help your body fight the flu more effectively. Whether you prefer canned chicken noodle soup or homemade, the warmth of the liquid will feel comforting on your sore throat. Additionally, one study discovered that the components of chicken soup work together to lower inflammation and boost your body's immune response to infection. 6. Herbal tea. A sore throat can be relieved by the warmth of hot tea, and a congested nose can be cleared by the steam. For an additional dose of relief, mix in a small amount of honey. Research shows that honey helps you sleep better and lessens nighttime coughing. 7. Spices. Many comforting and soothing meals feature ginger, cayenne, and turmeric, each of which provide a variety of health benefits. These spices make up a significant portion of our immune repertoire and are widely used in many countries to help fight illness. Ginger, cayenne, and turmeric help you maintain a strong immune system and have potent anti-inflammatory qualities. While these foods we've already focused on help you fight colds and flu, there are certain foods to avoid when you're sick. What you shouldn't consume while you have the flu is equally as significant as what you should be eating. Because alcohol depletes your immune system, it can make it more difficult to battle the flu and should be avoided. You should also avoid beverages with caffeine, such as soda, black tea, and coffee, as these can further dehydrate you. When your body is already working hard to battle the flu, you don't want to add anything that can interfere with its capacity to do so. Dairy products thicken mucus, making congestion worse. Inflammation often runs rampant when your body is trying to fight off the flu and, unfortunately, sugar often increases inflammation. Spicy meals can exacerbate a runny nose, which the virus may already be making worse. Include a small amount of horseradish or pepper in your diet once you're starting to feel better to help clear out congestion, but avoid it while you're still sick. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.